AirTalk Wireless offers prepaid plans, so canceling is straightforward. First, decide if you want to keep your number. If so, start the porting process with your new provider before canceling with AirTalk. This requires your AirTalk account number and PIN. If you don't want to keep your number, you can proceed directly with cancellation. As of September 2025, the easiest way is through the AirTalk app or website using the Quick Cancel feature. Alternatively, contact customer service via phone, chat, or email. There are no cancellation fees, but ensure any outstanding balances are paid to avoid issues. After initiating cancellation, confirm that your service is deactivated. If you ported your number, deactivation happens automatically once the port is complete, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Check your AirTalk account for any final charges or remaining balance. Since AirTalk is prepaid, equipment returns are generally not required unless you leased a device. Keep an eye on your account for about a month to ensure no unauthorized charges appear. Remember, AirTalk will never ask for payment to cancel your service. Be wary of scams. For assistance with number porting, contact your new provider or AirTalk support.